Want to test your systems like a hacker before criminals do? We're breaking down the best penetration testing tools that creators and freelancers are using right now. Penetration testing identifies vulnerabilities before attackers exploit them. Whether you're protecting client data or securing your own operations, these tools are essential. They simulate real attacks, show weak points, and help you strengthen defenses. Small businesses especially need this. Data breaches cost thousands. Let's explore the top-rated options transforming security. The best Pentest tools combine ease of use with powerful scanning capabilities. You'll want vulnerability scanning, network and mapping, automated reporting, and integration with your existing security stack. User-friendly dashboards matter, too. You should need AV expression charts. Speed is critical. Faster scanning means quicker results and lower costs. Begin with network scanning to map your infrastructure. Run vulnerability assessments across all systems. Generate detailed reports showing what's exposed. Most tools offer free trials. Use them to test before committing. Start small, test regularly, and document everything. Consistency beats perfection in security. Choose tools matching your business size and budget. Schedule monthly or quarterly tests. Share findings with your team and clients. Remediate high-risk vulnerabilities immediately. Combine automated tools with professional audits for complete coverage. Your security posture directly impacts client trust and business growth. Hit subscribe for more AI and security tools reviews. Drop a comment telling us which tool you're trying first. Binds Imagine telling tools reviewed.